Welcome to our channel. Today we how to secure your home Wi-Fi with Netgear, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin securing your home Wi-Fi, locate your Netgear router. Connect your computer or mobile device to the router's Wi-Fi network. Open a web browser and enter the router's IP address, typically 192.168.1.1 or 192.168.0.1. Log into the router using the default credentials. If you haven't changed them, the username is usually admin and the password is password. Once logged in, navigate to the wireless settings section. Look for the Wi-Fi network name, also known as SSID. Change the SSID to something unique that doesn't personally identify you. Next, locate the Wi-Fi security settings. Select WPA3 or WPA2 PSK as your encryption type for enhanced security. Create a strong password that includes letters, numbers, and special characters. Avoid using easily guessable information, such as birthdays or names. After saving your changes, look for the guest network option. Enable the guest network only if needed. Set a separate password for the guest network. Turn off broadcasting the guest network SSID if you want additional privacy. Now, navigate to the firmware update section. Check for any available updates and apply them. This ensures your router has the latest security patches. Consider disabling the WPS feature, as it can be a vulnerability. Finally, log out of the router's web interface. Regularly check your router settings every few months for any updates or changes. Your home Wi-Fi is now more secure with these steps. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.